Scott Smart to actually lead them round and then fire the Kawasaki out of the traps as quick as he can. Green flag, then Scott Smart leads as he comes across the line now. I don't think too many advantages will be taken there, although Yukio has taken a bit. Oh, big crash coming down Devil's Elbow there on cold tyres. That'll be because tyres have cooled down and there was a big smash out of Devil's Elbow. I think we're going to have a red flag after that one because that was a huge crash. Wait until we see. I won't preempt the situation, of course. But just, yeah, definitely there's going to be a red flag here, I think, with a rider down on the exit of Devil's Elbow. Certainly the safety car will be out again.